Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name's Audrey. I am a fashion stylist and content creator in New York City. And today is a very special day because I am relaunching my YouTube channel and this is the first video. I've been on and off YouTube for the past few years and I'm so ready to be back. So on this channel, I'll be sharing styling tips, reviewing products, and also we are celebrating plain dress up and having fun with fashion. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and let's dive into our review. I just received the iTOUCH Air 4 smartwatch and this is the Jillian Michaels Edition. I'm so excited for this. So I've kind of had a love-hate relationship with watches, to be honest, because just a regular watch, yes, it can be pretty and match your outfit, but I still always need my phone in my hand. I originally got my first smartwatch to just track my fitness, my workouts, the steps I was taking, but I realized I started using it more and more day-to-day life. I was wearing it on set when I was styling, or if I was running around the city doing errands and I was holding a lot of things. It was just so nice to have everything in one, and I'm really excited for this because I have desperately needed a smartwatch upgrade, and of course I had to get pink. So let's get started. So this is what the box looks like, and let's open her up. A huge bonus of this is that with this purchase you get a 90-day free membership to the Jillian Michaels fitness app. It includes workouts, meal plans, meditation, and I'm really excited to try this out. Okay, so let's take out the watch. Comes with instructions and your charger. So this watch is iOS and Android compatible. I love the pink color. I've really been in my pink era this year. This is what she looks like. Now let's set her up. I opened up the instructions. I'm currently charging the watch right now. It's at 82%, and I'm going to scan this QR code to download the app. The iTOUCH Wearables app. Okay, so I'm going to create my account. Then you can create your user profile. At first glance, this app is so user-friendly. So you can see how many steps you've taken, calories, miles, BPM heart rate. You have your body measurements, workout history, hours of sleep, and how many milliliters of water. You can track your coffee intake, a nutrition tracker. Okay, so if you click the steps, you can set a goal, which is really cool, and you'll be able to look at it daily and weekly. Same with calories, you can set a goal here, track how many miles you walk. I obviously have no data in any of these because I just unboxed it. You can also add body measurements, which is pretty cool. Workout history. The sleep feature is so cool. I'm really excited to use this. I've always been really curious about my sleeping habits, and if I'm a deep sleeper, light sleeper. I feel like my sleep has been all over the place the past 6 months. So I am really excited to test that out. Water, obviously, I love that you can track that because sometimes I forget to drink water or I don't know how much I drank. Coffee intake. Nutrition tracker. I'm really excited for this because in the past I've had multiple apps on my phone for different things, from tracking nutrition to habits like drinking water or how many steps I take, tracking my workout. I'm really excited to track this. Also, I had no idea you could track the current blood oxygen. Wow. Okay, so this is what the homepage looks like. So if you click this profile page, set your goals here, reminders, alarms. Oh, so you can set an alarm and a reminder to hydrate, to stretch. Oh my gosh. So now we're going to pair the device. Okay, wow, that was so easy. It automatically popped up. I'm gonna try to reconnect this because it was taking a second. So I just swiped over to the left on the watch, and you can hit settings and go to this QR code. Yay, okay, so this popped up and it says pair to phone, yes. Pairing request, yes. Okay, so my watch is now connected to my phone, and you can choose the different watch faces. So cool. Like, look how cute that is. Oh my god, there's so many options. I'm downloading the watch face. Oh my gosh! Wow, that is so cool. So if you slide to the right, you can track your steps, your heart rate, distance, sleep, workout mode. So you have your workout modes. There are 100 plus workout modes, and previously there was only 8. So you can, from soccer to yoga. Oh my gosh, look at that. So you can jump rope, hula hooping, darts, roller skating, trampoline, wow, bar class, fishing, tai chi, balance. Oh my gosh. Okay, then you swipe to the left to go back. Let's see. Dance class, break dance, jazz, Zumba, pole dancing, disco. This is incredible. So these are the recommended ones that are there already. And weightlifting, stair climber, push-up planks, TRX, CrossFit. This is incredible. So 100 plus workout modes. On the side, this can also just hit back. So workout mode, weather, camera remote. Okay, so I was really excited about this. Some other standout features is that it has a 7+ day battery life compared to other brands that maybe last 2 to 3 days. I love this feature that you can also set reminders for medication in addition to the stretch and hydration reminders. It also has a Find My Watch feature, so you can easily locate your watch. I just noticed this feature, the cycle tracking, so you can track your period. In the settings area, go to notifications and you can turn on the types of notifications that you want. So when I'm wearing this on set, I like to see what emails are coming in, if I'm getting calls, texts, potentially an Instagram, so you can select them there. And okay, as you can see, calls are coming through. You can answer them or decline. And then if you go here, you can see any notifications that you have. I'm so excited about this watch. It's super sleek and lightweight. It doesn't feel bulky or heavy on my wrist. And that's really important to me because I don't want to feel like I'm weighed down or it's interrupting my outfit. It's scratch resistant, water resistant, and also they have interchangeable bands. So this is the pink silicone that I got to match. It comes in 3 different colors. So you have this rose gold case with a burgundy band, a black case with a black band, or a silver case with a black band. Also, all of these bands are interchangeable. So this is the silicone one, but they also have mesh, and they're going to be coming out with some new colors very soon. A huge thank you to iTOUCH Wearables for sponsoring this video and for sending me my Air 4 watch. I am so excited to wear this, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later. Bye!